Do you want to know how you can enable the security question on your 1xBet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the security question option on 1xBet. So go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC. The next step is to open 1xbet.com and log into your account. Then you will be seeing this type of interface. So go ahead and hover around My Account, which is over here, and click on Account Settings. After you click on Account Settings, you can see that the Settings option will open up, and on the left hand side you will see something like this interface, and you can see that your security question can be accessed when you go to Security. Go ahead and click on Security, which is over here. Scroll a bit down and you can see the security question. You can enter and answer that only you know, and whenever you have forgotten your password, 1xBet will give you a security question, and if you answer the question you can log in easily and you can reset your password. So go ahead and click on your account. You can just click on it and this section will open up. Go to Security, scroll a bit down and click on Security Question, which is over here. Now you can select this drop down menu and you can see the security questions. So some of the questions are surname of your favorite musician, favorite team, favorite childhood book, father's name, mother's maiden name, favorite author, and you can ask your own question as well. And you can write down your own question, but let's go ahead and select our favorite team. So let's go ahead and write down our answer. And then you can repeat the answer again. Click Save. And there you go. This is how you set up your security question or enable the security question option on 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.